Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Laura. I do mostly beauty videos, like makeup tutorials, and I'm planning on doing some fashion and lifestyle videos coming soon. So if that sounds interesting, please subscribe to my channel. I try and upload about once a week. It's really hard because I've started working, so just my schedule is a bit different than it used to be. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter at Loria1. I post a lot of travel pictures and some food pictures, lifestyle photos, that sort of thing. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please follow me there as well. So today I'm going to be comparing the NYX eyebrow gel and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Both are sort of similar types of products. They perform differently, but they do pretty much the same thing. They add pigment to your brows and hold them in place all day. So if you want to see which brow is which and how they perform, then please keep on watching. Since I'm running out of my NYX brow gel, I figured this would be a perfect time to film this video. This has pretty much been my tried and true holy grail brow product for, I want to say, over a year, maybe 2 years, I'm not quite sure. This stuff lasts a really, really long time. The only thing that I find with this product is it runs a little bit warm, and I prefer more cool tone shades for my eyebrows. So I picked up the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. It's like a holy grail cult classic product in the beauty world. So I figured now would be a great time to compare these two products. Okay, you know what? I'm going to put the NYX one on my right side, Anastasia on my left. So I'm just going to sort of like warm up the product because it gets sort of stiff in here and it's probably drying out. So I'm going to take an angled brush. This is what I always use for my eyebrows. What I've been doing lately to waste less product is just squirting out a tiny amount on here, picking it up with my brush, and then applying it. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take a smaller angled brush and some Tarte Shape Tape and just clean up my brow. And now I'm just going to wipe off the excess on the back of my hand. So I have my regular, normal sort of baseline brow. And now I'm going to open up my dip brow. So this one I have in the shade Taupe. I know that my brows aren't going to match in color, but I'm only comparing consistency. So it comes in a little jar, and that's what it looks like inside. Doesn't have a smell, but I'm going to take a different small angled brush, and I hear a little goes a long way with this product. So I'm just going to sort of, oh, it's very soft. I'm just going to like dip my brush in. Right, and let's do this. I'm just going to clean up this brow. Okay, Okay, so this is what the two sides look like. This is the NYX side and this is the Anastasia side. Again, this is the NYX side, this is the Anastasia side. I thought that these two products were actually very similar, but it turns out they're quite different. The NYX side, even though since both of them have dried down, they do feel similar on the eyebrows. The NYX one, I definitely feel more resistance when I move my eyebrows compared to the Anastasia side, and that might just be because of the nature of a gel versus a pomade. That being said, both of them are long-lasting, they're waterproof, they'll keep your brows in place all day. They're also super pigmented, and I definitely recommend both. I don't think one is better than the other. I think they're just different products that sort of do similar things, so it's sort of personal preference. But using the Anastasia one for the first time, I really like it. I like how natural it looks, and I know that I can also do sort of a more like fleeky, but I think it just takes time to sort of get used to the type of product because the brow gel it performs a bit differently, so just something to get used to. But I really like both of these. The next one I have been using for the past year or two, so I'm pretty used to how it performs. It actually changes its texture as it gets older, so probably it's probably pretty dried out right now. So when I first got it, it was much more watery and then dried down to the same drier texture. But yeah, I like it. I like both of them. I think the NYX ones tend to run warmer toned, whereas the Anastasia ones you have more of a range of colors. And the NYX ones are about half the price of the Anastasia ones. So it all comes down to personal preference and what you want to spend. But I think they're both great products. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.